Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've already edited the timeline, so start exporting now. First, make sure the project is selected in Imovie and play the start to end to verify edits. You want no hidden gaps or render issues, so skim transitions and audio levels once more. Then decide on target quality. Higher resolution means larger file size. If you're on iPhone, prepare by closing other apps. If on Mac, free some RAM. Once ready, move straight to the Share or Export option to begin the save process. Next, use Share or File Share to access format choices. You'll see resolution and quality. Choose 1080p for good balance or 4K for highest clarity. Higher picks increase file size. Make sure compression is appropriate. Faster for smaller files, better quality for detail. On iPhone, choose Save Video to send straight to Photos. On Mac, pick Export File, and then select a folder or drag the resulting file into Photos. These settings matter because they control playback compatibility and storage. Finally, let the export complete without interrupting the app. You'll see a progress bar or spinner. Once done, open the Photos app or the folder you exported to and play the video from start to finish to confirm audio sync and quality. If the file is not visible, make sure iMovie or the system had permission to write to Photos, verify available storage, and check recently deleted. If problems persist, re-export with a lower resolution or export to files, then import into Photos as a workaround.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.